Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, hi, my name is Peace, a YouTuber from Nigeria, Kano to be precise. And here on this channel I do skincare reviews, product reviews about skincare mostly. So why don't you stay tuned to my channel and make sure you subscribe, hit the post notification bell, so whenever I upload features like this you get notified. So today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial how I apply my tretinoin cream on my face. So in the next video I'll be showing you that. So in this video I'm not going to be talking about tretinoin. I'm just going to be doing the application because I just took my bath and I had applied my body cream, but not my face, because I just felt like my subscribers really need to know the deal about my recent skincare, and that's what I'm going to be showing you guys, like mostly tretinoin. And in another video I'm going to be telling you all the benefits of tretinoin, side effects and everything, but for now I'm going to be showing you how I apply my tretinoin if you're a beginner like me, because I just started using tretinoin like 2-3 weeks ago, and mind you, it is like really good. It has done like really nice things to my skin, so stay connected. So firstly, when I get off the shower, I just use like a gentle cleanser. Normally I use my shower gel. I've been using a particular shower gel which is gluta white shower gel. I'm going to be inserting the picture in this video, and then I use it for my face and body. I particularly do not have like a face soap and a body soap separately, so after doing that I just dry my face. I do not use towels on my face, I do not use tissues on my face. I just dry my face and then rub my body cream. So the next thing I'm going to be using is my toner. I'm not going to be using an alcohol-based toner because I was actually using an alcohol-based toner which is Skin Doctor. I made a review about it. I think that was like my last review video, and I just feel like using alcohol-based toners is going to like get together with the tretinoin and do something really awful to your skin, because I feel like alcohol and tretinoin does not go together. So I'm going to be using like a water-based toner, and no other than Dr. Rachel toner, the collagen. I'm going to be showing you now how I do it because my face is literally dry. So the last time I talked about these toners, like I said, I've literally not used so much toners since I started my skincare journey, but this is one of the toners I recommend to my subscribers. And the last time I used this, I used the VC, that's the vitamin C, but this is the collagen and it is quite thick, and this is better than the vitamin C, I must say. But I've been using this for a week consistently and it has really done great stuff to my skin. If you go to like 5 videos before this, my skin really got damaged due to a product I used, and I've just been trying to revive it. So I'm going to be using my cotton wool and of course the Dr. Rachel collagen elasticity firming and essence toner. So I'm going to be cleaning my face with this, and after doing this I'm going to apply my tretinoin. And also I want to be talking about some products do not work with some products. Like sometimes you could use vitamin C before you use tretinoin, and then it could just give you a reaction, depends on your skin type. But I've been using my collagen toner before I use my tretinoin, and this is like 2 weeks past using this tretinoin together with it, and I have not received any form of skin reaction or a purge or anything. So now moving on to my tretinoin, I'm using this retin A cream. It is 0.5. It's a tretinoin 0.05%, and it is a Philippine company called Jason. I got this for 5,000 naira, and this is 20 grams. It's quite like really small, and look, this is how much I've used it. So tretinoin helps you with your scarring, your acne, your whiteheads and your blackheads, whatever. I literally just don't mind me, I'm always saying literally, I always have issues with whitehead and blackhead, and I just keep on popping them to remove it, and it gives me scarring. So now I think this tretinoin, because you don't really need to put much, and this is around 4 o'clock, you don't need to use your retinoin during the day. I'm doing this during the day because of this video, and I'm not going to go out till night. So retinoin is supposed to be used at night, not during the day. So you just need to take a small piece and apply around your face. So this is how it's supposed to look. It's not supposed to look like plenty. Then what you just have to do is just brush in. So after that, voila, like it has got into my skin. Some people like to do the sandwich method, which is you apply your moisturizer, that's your face cream, or your, if your skin do not react to body creams, apply your moisturizer, that's your body cream on your face, or your face cream on your face first before you put your tretinoin, then apply your moisturizer again on your face. That is the sandwich method, because they feel like if you do this, it doesn't allow your face to peel, because sometimes the reaction of tretinoin is peeling. But I haven't purged, I haven't peeled, I haven't done anything, so I just feel like my skin is, so this is my moisturizer. Mind you, I used the Vit Gold container to put this face cream, but this is not the Vit Gold. You can see the color. I actually made this myself. I'm going to be taking a small amount after using my tretinoin. Then I'm going to be just rubbing this all over my face. So I'm done applying my moisturizer, and this is all you need to sleep till the next day, because mind you, tretinoin is supposed to be used at night, not during the day. And then the next morning when you wake up, you need to use SPF, which is sunscreen, that is ranging from like 50 to go out, so that the sun do not damage your skin. Because when you're using tretinoin, your skin becomes like super sensitive, and your skin can easily get burnt and red. So thank you for watching my video. If you enjoy, please subscribe to my channel.